Voltage with ground protection. So yung nakalagay ng kuryente dito. Ito.
Okay, before we start the activity, let's have discussion first. Hydraulic systems are used wherever high power concentration, good heat dissipation, or extremely high force are required. Hydraulic systems is a mechanical function that operates through the force of liquid pressure. Electro-hydraulic systems. It has two components. First, the movements and forces are generated by hydraulic means, example, by cylinders. Second, signal input and signal processing, on the other hand, are affected by electrical and electronic components, example, electromechanical switching elements, or stored program controls. In this video, we will simulate stern ramp on a pure car carrier vessel using the electro-hydraulic trim. Here is the circuit diagram and the components of the system.
Go.
When push button 1 is pressed, the hydraulic actuator will push the ramp outward, and while holding the push button, after 5 seconds, the hydraulic motor will rotate clockwise to lower the ramp. When the push button 2 is pressed, the hydraulic motor will rotate counterclockwise to hoist the ramp together with the retract of the hydraulic actuator. After the activity, ensure proper housekeeping. Secure and clean the place. Remember, safety is our topmost priority.